He's a nice buck. I mean, he's gotta be 16, 17 inches wide. Yeah, here's the end of his ear. Might be 17 inches wide. Beautiful buck. Big deer. How big this fucking deer is. One of the nicest bucks I've ever shot. Oh my God, thank you, Lord. And here he is. I drag him quite the top by myself. Get him up here. Nice wide buck, 16, 17 inches wide. I love the way he curls up in right there at the top. Right here. Both sides curls in. Oh my God. I can't believe that happened. I mean, it's not the heaviest buck in the world, but he's gorgeous. He's just absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful buck. He hasn't been rubbing either, but he's fucking huge. How big he is. That's a big deer. Hell of a drag. Drag him clear up here from my blind and clear up here by hand. Just knock the guts out and drag him up here. Get him loaded up. Thank you, Lord. So we got a couple real hardcore hunters up here, man. They're serious about hunting. These guys right here, man. They want to kill some deer, buddy. They're serious about it. They're gonna get themselves a buck. They don't care how hard they gotta hunt. They're gonna get us a buck right here. We're gonna hunker down and get us a buck, man. Woo! Get us a buck. Hey, shooting at one. The deer out in the middle of the fucking, no idea. They probably have no idea what they're even shooting at. It's not doe season. Looks like a doe to me. They're fucking wailing bullets at it still down there. The deer's still standing there. Hope it's a fake one. The deer's still standing there. Heard them shooting. You heard them shooting, didn't you? Boy, they're serious about it too. They're gonna get themselves a deer. They don't care if they gotta shoot at that deer 100 times, they're gonna get it. Right down they're headed down to my house, ain't they? They'll go, they'll go right over, right in front of the barn and lay down, I bet. Oh, there's three of them. They go there in that field and lay down. Most definitely his house probably around here, and they lay down in front of his house. Brendan probably just walked up through the fucking, there's two of them. The little ones are in front of the house. Where are they at? Right there. Can't tell what they are. I'm pretty sure all three does. They're not leaving until that little one comes back out of the field. Oh, there he comes. There he comes. Coming up out of the field. They won't leave. They won't leave him there. Where's he at? Oh, there he comes out. There he come out. There he come out. What? They're right. All three of them are gonna be right there together. Oh, now they're just hanging out, eating. They know they're safe right here. Ain't nobody gonna mess with them. Not doe season yet. That was cool. We was sitting there talking to Mom and Dad, and they just walked out in the yard, ran up in the cornfield, started eating. Thank you guys for watching. Here's a couple pictures. That one's a little messed up, but here's my favorite picture right there. That's one of my favorite pictures. I can't believe I was so lucky to get the job done. This was a really hard hunting season for me, and to be lucky and blessed enough to take this buck, I can't even put into words how truly amazing I feel. Like, it was an awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it.